Hey guys, how you doing? This is Dustin. I wanted to meal prep a salad and kind of go over the macro blocks on how something like this might work. For starters, for people who have participated in the nutritional challenge, you got these food prep containers. Here's kind of a sample of what we're looking for, all right, for any given meal. Your protein source will be in 1/3, a carb source will be in another, and then a third portion will be vegetables. So today we're going to meal prep a salad, and let's start with the lettuce. Now, something to know about lettuce in general is it's not very carb dense at all. By the way, my hands are clean. I have washed everything. So if you see me dip my hands into this bag, clean hands. Okay. So like I was stating, lettuce really doesn't have a lot of nutritional value, so we're not really going to count it as far as our macros go. It would be a carb. That said, to equal about 9 grams of carbs, you would need about a head of lettuce. All right, so we're not even really going to count it. All right, so for our protein source, we have chicken. Now, I'm going to show you a paper in a second, guys. If you look at my paper, I highlighted it. 1 ounce of chicken equals about 7 grams of protein. Okay, now for a female, in a meal, you need, in my opinion, roughly 21 grams of protein. And if you didn't have a food scale, a really easy way to figure it out is if you look at this container, it has 9 ounces. So divide that by 3, you could get 3 meals or 3 salads out of something like this. For a guy, that's my assistant chef. For a guy, you need about 35 grams of protein per meal. Okay, so for myself, I'm going to take some chicken. I'm going to put it in the protein section, right about there. There we go. Uh-oh. She wants her cut. She wants her piece of the pie. Okay, so that's probably a little bit shy of 5 grams of protein, but we'll leave it right as is. All right, and then the third portion will be carbohydrates. So a pretty good source of carbohydrate is chickpeas. Let me show you. I'm just going to dump them in for now. But if you look at chickpeas right there, a quarter cup, which is what I just had, a quarter cup, equals about 9 grams of carbs. So normally you would just plop this all into your salad. And that would be, if you look at what we got here, we have roughly about 5 ounces of chicken. We have a quarter cup of chickpeas, which is about 9 grams of carbs. And again, our lettuce doesn't really count for much. All right. So this today is my salad. And to also increase the amount of carbs, I have an apple. Okay. Now a half an apple has about 9 grams of carbs. So our meal has about 27 grams of carbs, about 35 grams of protein, and the last element we have to add is our dressing. Now I'm just going to show you right here, guys, because knowledge is power. 1/3 of a teaspoon is about 1.5 grams of fat. All right, now for a guy, that means you can have roughly 2 teaspoons of dressing or oil and vinegar or whatever you want to put on your salad. And for a lady, you would need about 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon equals about 4.5 grams of fat. Now, this is one method of prepping something simple like a salad if you want to follow some form of a macro style diet. If anyone has any questions on how to meal prep this, feel free to reach out. All right, everyone, have a great day.